Okay, Assalamualaikum and very good afternoon. My name is Muhammad Shazal Muhammad Fiz. My metric number is CE 208210135. So I'm from Group 7 from Section 3 and my lecturer name is Puan Rohaiza binti Hamdan, and today I would like to present about renewable energy of power system that our group use solar energy. So this is my page. So next is my group members starting with me, Muhammad Rizal Muhammad Hafiz, Siti Nur Ashikin binti Muhammad, Suhail binti Rahmat, Muhammad Amirul Farid bin Mat Zaid, Muhammad Shazul bin Cik Aziz. Okay, for the introduction, solar energy is a form of renewable energy that originates from the sun. It also powers and sustains almost all life on Earth. And we also know that solar technology uses the sun energy for useful purpose. These inventions date back to the early Greeks, Native Americans, and Chinese who warmed their technology to give heating, lighting, electricity, and even flight. Solar energy, or more precisely, the process of turning the sunlight into electricity, is referred to as solar power. This can be accomplished either through the photovoltaic effect or by heating transfer fluids to create a steam to power a generator. So I will pass to the next member for construction. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Shazul bin Cik Aziz. My metric number is CE 210001. I am from Group 7 and from Section 3. So for today, I will tell about the construction of solar panel. So the first one is solar cells are made of crystalline silicon, which is an n-type semiconductor. This is the first of our top layer, also referred to as the emitting layer. The second layer is the base layer, which is a p-type semiconductor layer. As the two layers are sandwiched together, a p-n junction is formed between them to prevent the loss of incident light energy due to reflection. The surface is coated with an anti-reflection coating. So this is the diagram of how the function of solar panel. From the sunlight or solar radiation, this goes to the solar panel, and this solar panel we convert the solar radiation to the DC power, and then from the metallic conducting strip, it will be goes to the inverter. This is the electron flow. When they goes to inverter, it will be change the DC power to AC power. After they change the from DC power to AC power, we can use it to our home. So this is the glass lens, which is the first layer of the solar panel, and then this is the negative electron, this is the positive electron, and then what I say before is n-type silicon, and then depletion layer, and the last is p-type silicon. So this is the how the solar panel will be processed. That's all from me.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad Amirul Farid bin Mat Zaid. I'm going to explain to you about operation in solar cell panel. Photons make up nearly all of the sunlight that reaches Earth. Means in sunlight ray there is a photon. Solar panel are made up of two layers. one with extra proton and the other with extra electron. When sunlight strikes solar panel, photons collide with a free electron in the upper layer. Electrons are rearranged in contact with the proton of the lower layer, resulting in the generation of an electric current. The floating electron generate the electric current, which is then passed through a wiring system with a battery where it is stored for later use. While the device actual construction is more complicated, but all we need to know is that they work in simple electrical principles. So based on the diagram, there is a N-type with negative electron and P-type with positive holes. There is also a depletion layer. Electron cannot go through the depletion layer to go to the P-type. Means we need to make a circuit, means wiring. P-type, N-type go to P-type. So when sunlight ray hit the upper layer and reach to depletion layer, the depletion layer, it will generate the pair of electron and holes. But the electron cannot go through depletion layer. But that's why we need to construct a wiring. It is metallic conducting stripe. So when in the depletion layer, just now I said it create pair of electron and holes. So N-type and P-type will be highly concentrated and go from N, go to the wire and go to P, and the direction, means the current, electron flow will create current. So in the middle of the wiring, we put battery, so the battery can be charged. So from the N-type, go to the battery and go back to the P-type, because the electron from N-type will go to P-type. The electron will go to the holes, so it cannot go through the depletion layer. So when there is a circuit, it will go through the circuit. That's how electric current can be generated. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Ashikin binti Muhammad. My number matrix is C810221. I will talk about advantage of solar power. Firstly is no greenhouse gas emission are produced when solar electricity is installed, making it pollution free. Second, solar panels require almost minimal maintenance because they last for over 30 years. Third, installable practically anywhere. Furthermore, the batteries can be used to store extra energy for use at night. It also more secure than conventional electric current. And lastly, even in cloudy days, it can create some clean, renewable energy that is available for every day of the year. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Surya binti Rahmat. My matric number is CE210227. I will talk about the advantage of solar power. First, the initial cost to purchase and install such equipment is not cheap. Second, solar does not work for every type of roof. Not every roof will work well with solar panel. Orientation matters. If your roof does not face the sun, you will not able to capture enough solar energy. Roofs that are angled to the sun tend to work better than flat roof. Next, solar panels depend on sunlight. Solar energy storage is expensive. It is obvious that solar panels need sunlight to generate electricity. They will not produce electricity at night when you need it for light, and they can be efficient during storm and overcast day. Use solar energy system like battery if you plan to rely entirely on solar energy to power your home. That's all from our group. Thank you.